Hello friends, welcome to our channel Arya and Harika. In this video we will see a special recipe green chicken. Let's get started. Heat a kadai and add 1 tablespoon of oil. Add 1/4 kilo of chicken neatly washed. Chicken is a light meat and a good source of protein. Let's add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of rock salt. Now salt the chicken until the salt and turmeric powder gets mixed with it. After that, close with the lid and cook for 5 minutes in medium flame. Meanwhile, we need to prepare our main ingredient for this recipe. To a mixie jar, add 1 chopped onion, 1 spoon of dried coconut. Grind both of them. Now we need to add small bunch of spinach leaves washed thoroughly. Add little by little and grind into a fine paste. Our paste is ready now. Keep it aside. Now let us check the chicken. See, water came out of the chicken and it started cooking well. In this stage, mix once and let's add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. This is my homemade ginger garlic paste. If you wish, you can check my channel for the video. Stir well. Mix well and cook again for another 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, let's check once. At this stage, add the grinded paste and 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Mix everything well and again cook for another 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, let us see the gravy started boiling and give a nice mix now. Our gravy is almost ready. Now at this stage, we need to add 1 teaspoon of chicken masala and half a teaspoon of garam masala. Saute everything for 1 to 2 minutes. Now for the gravy consistency, let's add 1 cup of water. Let's mix again and cover and cook for another 5 minutes. That's all. After 5 minutes, our yummy green chicken is ready. It's really tasty. Definitely give a try. This gravy tastes good with anything, dosa, rice, chapati. It will taste best with ragi sangati. It's a very healthy and yummy recipe. Don't forget to try it. Now let's serve and eat hot. Thanks for watching my video. If you like, please do share and subscribe.